In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with GitHub. By the end, you'll have ClickUp connected to GitHub so your tasks can stay in sync with your code work, making it easier to track commits, branches, and pull requests alongside your project tasks. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to the main app interface. Look toward the upper left area where your profile controls live. Open your profile menu to access your personal settings. This is where ClickUp centralizes integrations, so it's the right place to begin. If your workspace uses a slightly different layout, the option may appear as your avatar or initials. Either way, you're looking for your profile area. Inside your profile, select the Apps section. This page hosts all available integrations you can connect to your ClickUp account. If you don't see apps, it often means your permissions are limited. In that case, ask a workspace owner or admin to grant you access or connect the integration on your behalf. On the Apps page, check the Featured area. Featured integrations are commonly used and curated by ClickUp, and GitHub is frequently listed there. Scanning Featured first can save time because you'll often find exactly what you need without searching. If GitHub isn't visible in Featured, use the search bar and type GitHub. You're looking for the official GitHub integration for ClickUp. Selecting the correct one ensures you get the right capabilities like linking branches and pull requests to tasks and viewing commit activity. Once you've found it, click Connect. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to confirm you're signed into the correct GitHub account in your browser, especially if you juggle personal and work accounts. If needed, switch accounts or use a private window to avoid authorizing the wrong one. You'll be redirected to GitHub to sign in and authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant ClickUp the permissions it requests. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to choose an organization and select specific repositories. Only grant access to the repos you plan to use with ClickUp. You can adjust this later if your needs change. If your organization requires admin approval for third-party apps, an admin may need to approve the integration before it becomes active. When authorization finishes, you'll return to ClickUp and see that GitHub is connected. From here, you can start associating your code work with tasks, helping your team see development progress without leaving ClickUp. If anything doesn't connect, double-check your GitHub permissions, ensure pop-up blockers are disabled during authorization, and confirm you're working in the intended ClickUp workspace. That's it. Your ClickUp and GitHub are now integrated and ready to streamline your workflow.